In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Pipedrive account. Just head over to the Pipedrive website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and input your email and password and hit that login button. Once you log in, you should be greeted by your account dashboard, which is your hub for managing all your sales contacts. Now that you're on your dashboard, our next step is to navigate to the Contacts section. Look for the tabs or options typically located on the left side of the screen. You'll see Contacts listed there. Clicking on this will take you directly to your contact list, where all your entries are stored, making it easy for you to manage them. Once you're in the Contacts section, it's time to select the specific contacts you wish to delete. Scroll through your list until you find each contact that you want to remove. Pipedrive allows you to select multiple contacts, which is super convenient. Simply click the checkbox next to each name that you want to delete. If you accidentally select a contact, don't worry. You can easily uncheck the box next to their name. After you've selected the contacts, it's time to actually delete them. Look at the top of the screen, and you should see a little trash can icon. This is your delete option. Go ahead and click on that trash can icon. It's usually colored differently to make it stand out against other icons, so you shouldn't miss it. Once you click the trash can, a prompt will appear to confirm your choice. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't remove anything accidentally. The prompt will usually ask if you really want to delete the selected contacts. If you're sure about your selection, simply click on the Delete button in this prompt. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and the deleted contacts won't be retrievable, so make sure you really want to go through with it. And just like that, you've successfully deleted the contacts from your Pipedrive account. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to walk through it step by step so you can feel confident while managing your contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any questions as you navigate through Pipedrive, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. So, to recap, remember to log in, navigate to your contacts, select the ones you wish to delete, click that trash can icon, and confirm your deletion. That's all there is to it. Thank you for